everyone! If you're looking to lose fat, feel energized, and simplify your meals, you're in the right place. This week, I tried a 7-day quinoa power bowl meal plan to shed some pounds and boost my health, and the results were amazing. In this video, I'll share my full meal plan, how I prepped these delicious bowls, and the results I saw after just 1 week. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about why quinoa power bowls are a game changer for fat loss. Quinoa is a nutrient-packed superfood high in protein, fiber, and complex carbs, which keeps you full longer and supports muscle recovery. Plus, power bowls are super customizable, so you can mix and match ingredients to keep things exciting. These bowls are perfect for meal prep, saving you time while helping you stay on track with your goals. Let's break down my week-long meal plan. Here's the exact meal plan I followed for 7 days. I made 3 bowls per day, keeping portions balanced for fat loss. Each bowl has a base of quinoa, a protein source, healthy fats, and tons of veggies. I prepped most ingredients on Sunday to save time. Let's go day by day. For day 1, I went with a Mediterranean vibe. The bowl had 1/2 cup cooked quinoa, 4 ounces grilled chicken, chopped cucumber, cherry tomatoes, feta, olives, and a dollop of tzatziki. This took 10 minutes to assemble, and the flavors were so fresh. Day 2 was all about bold flavors. I used 1/2 cup quinoa, 1/2 cup black beans, grilled corn, diced avocado, and a spoonful of salsa. Squeeze some lime on top for a zesty kick. This one's great for lunch. Day 3 was a vegetarian delight. I roasted sweet potatoes and chickpeas, added sautéed kale, and drizzled tahini dressing over 1/2 cup quinoa. This bowl is so filling and perfect for plant-based eaters. For day 4, I went Asian-inspired. I mixed 1/2 cup quinoa with edamame, shredded carrots, cucumber slices, and a soy ginger dressing. Sprinkle sesame seeds for crunch. So refreshing. Day 5, I switched it up with a breakfast bowl. I used warm quinoa, topped it with Greek yogurt, mixed berries, slivered almonds, and a drizzle of honey. It's like oatmeal, but better. Day 6 was comfort food vibes. I paired 1/2 cup quinoa with 4 ounces barbecue chicken, creamy coleslaw, avocado slices, and green onions. This one feels indulgent, but keeps you on track. For day 7, I went fancy with grilled salmon over 1/2 cup quinoa, fresh spinach, roasted beets, and a lemon tahini dressing. This bowl is packed with omega-3s and flavor. Meal prep was key to making this week a success. Here's how I did it. On Sunday, I cooked 4 cups of quinoa in a rice cooker. It's foolproof. I also pre-chopped veggies like cucumbers, carrots, and tomatoes and stored them in airtight containers. Proteins like chicken and salmon were grilled in advance, and I made dressings in mason jars for easy pouring. Each bowl took less than 10 minutes to assemble during the week. Pro tip: use glass containers to keep everything fresh and reheat evenly. After 1 week of eating these quinoa power bowls, I felt incredible. I lost 3 pounds, had more energy for my workouts, and didn't feel deprived at all. My digestion improved thanks to all the fiber, and I saved so much time with meal prep. These bowls kept me full, and the variety meant I never got bored. Of course, results vary based on your activity level and calorie needs, but this plan was a game changer for me. There you have it, my week-long quinoa power bowl meal plan and the results. If you want to try this yourself, I've linked a free printable meal plan and shopping list in the description below. Let me know in the comments which bowl you're most excited to try, and if you want more meal prep ideas, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.